So the other day I'm on the way home and one of my neighbors has this free pile in front of their house. And I think of Joe Z and his YouTube channel and how he's always bringing home cool stuff. Well, anyways, they had this Troy-Bilt 4-cycle weed whacker. I've never seen a 4-cycle weed whacker before. I only seen the 2-strokes, which I have. But anyways, the thing, let me pick it up. I mean, it doesn't look like it's used too much. It actually had gasoline in it still. I checked the oil is good. And just want to see if it starts up and runs. So let's give it a shot and see what it does. So the instructions are press bulb 10 times till fuel is visible. Well, there's fuel visible in the thing. Move the choke lever to 1. So that's there. And squeeze trigger and pull rope 5 times. Move choke lever to number 2. Squeeze trigger and pull rope 1 to 4 more times. Alright, let's see. So 1, pull rope 5 times. Oh, look at that. Oh, well, there's what's wrong with it. The end of it comes off. That's pretty funny. But the motor runs perfectly fine. So, I see, maybe, yeah, I think it's a pretty easy fix. So it looks like I just need to tighten this thing up and put it back together. I'm going to try and fix it and see if it works. Let's see if I can get this guy back together. Oh, look at that. I've never put one of these together, so. Oh, that's greasy. Let me lower the tripod here so I can work on the ground. Okay, let's see if I can get this thing undone so I can tighten it up. It is a 5/16. So it looked like this nut was tightened all the way up. So what I'm going to do is take this collar off that tightens this thing in place, and then I'm going to put some shim material in between the collar here and this piece that gets tightened to hold the head of the trimmer to the shaft. That way when you tighten it up, it'll squeeze tighter. So let me get some material to put in there. So I've been playing around with this a little bit, trying to figure out why it comes off, and from what I can tell is maybe this metal on this band is stretched, and I don't know. Everything looks perfectly fine in here. Anyways, I'm going to find something to shim in there and see if I can get that to cinch down and stay on. Alright, so I I took this head off of the shaft just to see, and what it looks like is this will not tighten up anymore to pinch these points in so that it'll stay stuck on the shaft here. So I think I'm gonna go see if I can find some way to make this thing really cinch down. So I'm gonna go out to the shop and see what I can figure out with this thing. So when I was in the garage, I came across some old hose clamps that I had. I'm gonna try a hose clamp on here, see if that works. Oh yeah, look at that. Gotta tighten it down just a little bit more. Oh, same size. 5/16 on there. Let's give this weed whacker a shot and see if it works or not. I'd say that was a success. Yeah. 10 minutes of my time and free weed whacker. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.